guys. Ganda ng message kanina sa church Pastor Edric sa CCF. Nare-reveal niya sa akin yung plan ni God. Parang i-plan natin na mag-Philippine Loop. Kasi medyo doubtful ako lately kung tama ba yung decision ko. Am I really ready? Am I really capable sa Philippine Loop challenge natin? Parang kanina, indirectly, God talked to me parang to give it a go. And maganda naman kasi yung hangarin natin. And maybe along the way, matupad din natin yung ibang purpose ni God sa buhay natin, yung mission niya, which is yung Great Commission to share the gospel siguro sa mga liblib na lugar. Hopefully, magampanan natin. So yung travel natin, hopefully hindi lang siya purely pasyal. Matuloy natin yung advocacy natin to listen to the stories of Filipinos all over the Philippines. I'm praying maging matagumpay to at matuloy to according to His will. God willing, sana matuloy to and maging fruitful yung magiging outcome ng ating project for this year na. And I'm still looking forward sa mga nagpakita ng interest sa aking pinost. Kung kasama kayo, let me know kung game kayo. Pero I just want to be transparent na at the back of this trip, itong biyahe na to, is not just for fun, it's not just for motovlogging. We intend to to share the word, at least yung gospel. So hopefully makapagdala din tayo ng mga gospel track from CCF and ma-share natin sa mga makakasalamuhan natin. Kung wala namang opportunity, we will not force the gospel if hindi sila receptive sa gospel. Pero at least we get to know them, we get to have a relationship with them, and also to hear yung mga stories nila. This will be a fun and really exciting experience for us. No? And I'm also requesting and praying na mas maraming mag-support sa ating project. It's about the Philippine Loop journey natin na parang ang peg is long way down, Philippine edition or Pinoy edition. And we want to execute this as parang relax lang na motovlog. Hindi siya yung minadali. I'm requesting for sponsors and supporters. Kahit hindi monetary, kahit sharers lang ng ating content para at least makapag-promote ng awareness yung ating content. It's a bonus if maraming makakakita. And of course, it will help the channel also. Baka sakaling ma-monetize natin yung channel, could finance yung ating project. Of course, God will provide, pero mas maging effective yung ating biyahe kung meron tayong backup na financial support, especially sa mga may capability to donate. No? So, what are the future expenses sa biyahe natin is baka kailangan natin ng donations, baka kailangan natin mag-feeding program, baka kailangan natin mag-donate ng mga anything that people need sa mga lugar na talaga isolated. No? Hindi pa natin alam kung ano mga pangailangan, pero if you guys want to donate, parang sa Hunger Games, if you want to sponsor yung mga matatagpuan natin as real time, we will do live videos along the way. If the signal allows, kung may data tayo, kung merong signal doon sa mga places na pupuntahan natin, we will do live videos. So we are accepting donation as early as now, and we are also accepting sponsors for branded content na pwede natin ilagay sa mga motor, pwede natin ilagay sa ating content yung logos nyo as branding para ma-market din natin yung mga products niyo. Doesn't have to be related sa motor, doesn't have to be related sa travel, pero preferably mas maganda kung related na sa ating biyahe. Even apparels, even digital services and anything. No? So let me know and we can work hand in hand para maging mas matagumpay itong project na to. I'm really excited, I'm really stoked sa na to. Kasi before pa ako magkasakit actually, binubuo ko na to before with Yong. And hindi lang natuloy. Actually natuloy na kami sa Bulacan lang. Pero this time, God willing, no? Yun yung magandang message kanina. God willing, we do not boast that because we do not know what will be tomorrow. Kung bukas buhay pa ba tayo. Pero if the Lord allows, we will pursue this project. No? If you have suggestions kung ano yung magandang name sa project, please send it to me. Or kung meron kayo suggestions on how we can pull this off, how can we execute this sa Philippine Loop, yung mga possible na pwedeng daanan, yung mga dapat iwasan na kalsada, tatalakayin natin yan with those na nag-signify na sasama. So we will be going back to the whiteboard and we will try to document everything para at least masundan yung journey natin. No? Because Philippines is a very nice country talaga. It's a good country, very colorful, very rich ang culture natin, very, very blessed talaga yung ating country with nature. Nandito tayo ngayon sa Bohol actually. Tabi tayo ng Flushing Meadows. Sa likod nito yung ating binibenta na condominium. na Royal Ocean Crest, no, by Primary Homes. So just 4 minutes, ayan, promote na rin, just 4 minutes away from ano to, for 4 minutes walk to Royal Ocean Crest. So yun guys, so subaybayan nyo po, and I will create a better way para ma-follow nyo yung ating project, siguro a page para makita nyo yung ating project. Hi, hello. And, I'm so happy na naging part ako ng CCF kasi really gives you wisdom, really gives you guidance, and really is helping. So yun talaga yung maganda sa church na ina-attendan mo, is it's helping you instead of parang nagiging burden siya. Ingal. So yan. Yun ang maganda sa church, no? So kung pipili kayo na church, of course it has to be Bible-based church, and mararamdaman mo that it is helping you to become a better person, and to help you din sa mga pang-araw-araw mo, na parang hindi siya nagiging burden, nagiging nakakakuha ka ng wisdom, nakakakuha ka ng comfort sa fellowship, even sa mga day-to-day mo, they will give you support. Yeah. So yun yung naramdaman ko sa CCF. Yan. So shout out sa mga kapatid ko, mga brothers and sisters natin sa CCF. Not just here in Bohol, but around the Philippines, around the globe, no? So sa lahat ng mga CCFers, mabuhay kayong lahat, and God bless po sa inyo lahat. Bye. Shoutout din pala kay Pastor Peter, Pastor Peter Jr., Pastor Edric, Pastor Ricky, at saka sa lahat ng staff na ano. Shoutout din kay Rick, ng ating brother sa CCF, tsaka sa worship team, sa Excel team. Bye.